Red Hat. In market action on Monday, the stock market edged lower. Let's get to the trader rundown now. Joining me for that is Alan Nuckman of Agora Financial on this first day of the FOMC meeting.
Right, we're going to get a rate cut. It's a done deal. Now we'll look to see some of the percentages odds that it's going to happen again in December and March have been lessened, but it looks like this is for sure.
But really, is it all about oil today?
Definitely, all about oil. Now, we've been talking about how that oil market has been depressed and stagnant for a while. Now, we saw a breakout above 60 yesterday. So between 50 and 60 for the last 3 months, that target's 70 on the upside. Now, someone's going to say, well, is that going to slow the stock market? I don't think so. I think that's going to help out some of those stocks that have been left behind. And the last time oil was up to the 70 level, it was at 75 last October. The stock market was all-time highs.
But so far, airlines taking a hit.
A little bit.
Retailers.
A little bit. But the overall market yesterday was down less than 0.5%, and we
actually the oil stocks were up.
Right, the oil stocks. We actually saw the Russell positive on the day. So
that was interesting.
Yesterday was the break of a 8-session streak in the Dow. So it can't go up every day. Let's see how it responds over the next couple of sessions.
We've been watching that Russell rally. What do you think about the Russell?
Well, again, I think it's a rotation. You're seeing money flows. We had the stock market at almost all-time forever highs last week. It was back-to-back-to-back weeks of positive gains in the stock. So money is going to where it hasn't performed, and we saw that in crude oil, and we saw that in the Russell as well.
You, Alan, are what I would call a perma bull.
Optimist.
Okay, you're an optimist. But when you take a look at this market, and you never want a straight line to the upside,
right?
You still are feeling bullish about it.
Still very positive. We haven't taken out that top yet. So let's see how it reacts once we do that. Every time in history, it's rallied the distance of the last sell-off on top of those old highs. Let's see if it can happen once again.
And isn't this backing and filling just something that the market does normally?
Yeah, it's something that you want to see happen, and that's very much a positive, that it takes 2 steps forward, 1 step back, and keeps going with higher highs and higher lows as we've seen.
Well, great to have you here. Thanks so much, Alan.
Thank you.